Top 7 tips for making your study more effective.
Effective studying is essential for academic success, and it involves various strategies and techniques to help you learn and retain information more efficiently. Here are the top 7 tips for making your study more effective as a student, along with examples to illustrate each point. 1. Set clear goals. Example: let's say you have a history exam in 2 weeks. Your goal might be to earn an A on the exam. Break this down into smaller goals, such as covering 1 chapter per day. 2. Create a study schedule. Example: design a weekly study schedule. Allocate specific time slots for each subject and stick to them. For instance, study history from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. every day. 3. Active learning. Example: instead of passively reading your history textbook, actively engage with the material. Take notes, ask questions, and discuss topics with classmates. Create flashcards to test your knowledge. 4. Variety of resources. Example: if you're learning about a historical event, use various resources like textbooks, online articles, documentaries, and even podcasts. This diversity can help you gain a deeper understanding. 5. Avoid multitasking. Example: when studying, focus solely on your academic work. Turn off social media, silence your phone, and avoid distractions. This will help you concentrate and learn more effectively. 6. Regular breaks. Example: after every 25 to 30 minutes of studying, take a 5 to 10 minute break. Use this time to stretch, have a snack, or simply relax. It can prevent burnout and enhance productivity. 7. Self-assessment. Example: before your history exam, take practice quizzes or tests. Analyze your results to identify weak areas, and then concentrate more on those topics. Self-assessment helps you gauge your understanding. Remember that effective study strategies can vary from person to person. It's important to experiment and adapt these tips to your own learning style. Additionally, staying organized and having a designated study space can also contribute to a more productive and effective study routine. Thanks for listening.